Good morning, Barira. Good morning, Aishin. Hmm. No one's there, guys.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aishin. Barira, are you there? Hey, good job, Aishin. You're having a breakfast. How about I give you 1 minute, Aishin? You just eat 1 minute. Close your camera.
Okay.
Barira, I'm going to count till five, okay? One, two, three, four, five.
Miss, I'm here.
Okay, turn on the camera. Let me see you. I think you're looking very pretty today.
I'm sitting. Sit.
Wait 1 second.
I'm good. What about you?
Okay.
Wait, mom, what about you? Right on. Maybe there's something wrong
No, it's fine.
here.
Yes. Is Mama there? Can I talk to her for a second?
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, Mom. Good morning. I
Hello.
think you just got the message regarding the assessment
Yeah,
yesterday.
it's in the morning they sent and there's like yesterday. So I think they were supposed to send yesterday, but they sent today morning.
I think Indian time they sent yesterday, so maybe
No, it's 6 o'clock morning.
6 o'clock morning. Oh, I'm so sorry regarding that. I think it was informed in class also. Maybe Farida forgot. But I really apologize. I will inform the team as well, not to make this mistake again. So next time
Yeah,
onwards,
you see, it came today morning at 6 8.
yeah, I understand. I called them actually regarding this.
No,
So I
because at
was,
least one reminder or the date or something should be given because I have not prepared her for anything. And from the last 2 to 3 weeks, everybody's going sick in the family, one by one. So we could not focus on anything.
uh, just I can just one more thing. Tomorrow they have a combined team exam. Just as a information I'm giving you so that it doesn't shock in
Team
the last.
exam, like, and the presentation. So, what is the topic of the presentation? I don't think so. She made anything, or like I know about it.
She did a project in class. I think. Barina, you did a project, right?
yeah.
Haven't you
Yeah,
did a project?
title.
We did
No,
this.
just tell me. Don't open the project. Tell me the title.
Uh,
In which subject you did, what you did.
I don't really know the name.
Can you just tell me tomorrow's thing? What is there, so I'll make her prepare.
Yes, sure. But after this,
It
I was
does
like,
not have any name. I
it
think
has
that
a name. It has a name. After this cover is over, I'll text you. Will that work?
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'm just leaving. I'm also late today, so let me know.
Oh, okay. Thank you so
okay,
much.
bye.
Okay, sure. Bye.
But Rita, I think you need to inform your parents, okay? When we have assessment and get informed, next time please do that. I
See the
should be,
message and like I already studied it.
you already said it, that's good. Okay. We got a reminder yesterday night, right?
Look, I made okay. What?
Yes, Barira. Barira is missing. Okay, I should let's see. Yes, I should.
Okay, so
Yes,
can I show you my Rainbow Friends book?
definitely. Let's see.
Um, I quite did not finish coloring it.
Where's the rainbow?
No,
We don't have
it's
a rainbow.
it's like a Rainbow Friend thing, which is like in Roblox where you have to run. It's kind of like a book full of games inside. It's
Aya,
just
you're late by 6, 7 minutes. You just have 3 minutes
I
left.
was
look,
late
we can
because,
play. Look,
ma'am,
see,
I
look,
was
look
late
here.
because my network was slow and then my mom had to fix it.
This is a two-player game, so of course we have two people.
Also,
And
Aya, your mama didn't meet me yesterday during the third period. I waited for you here.
oopsies.
I know that. I,
Is she there now? Can I meet her now?
yeah, but she's with my sister.
Okay, this is an important message that I've been trying to give you.
Just
I
talk
said
to
in
me.
Dalila, Abraham will meet you. I think you will get a
And the
message.
main And the main character is like the cake monster. The cake
It's a
monster.
monster is a main character. He made a
Yeah,
monster.
because in the game there's like hundreds of balloons and you have to pick up the cake and put them on the plate without popping the balloon.
Okay, ma'am. Today, after all of the classes are done, I'm sure
Because
I'll.
if you pop the balloon, blue will come and chase you. So do not.
Okay. I think one message will be sent from the
Oh,
admin
I
team.
got the I
Okay.
got the idea from the cake. So then I made a cake monster.
Hmm. Did you get any information regarding what that is? I met Amila's mama. I think we
I
might.
don't know what that is.
And you
Yes.
have to play tic tac toe. You have to play
Yeah,
tic.
Aishan, Barira, Haya. But today you will know, okay? It's a
Is it
surprise.
like any program? Is it any
No,
program?
it's not a program. Some of you will
Man,
like. It's Barira.
can I show you like what challenges it has?
Guys, one second. Did you prepare for your exam today? We have an
Yes.
assessment, not an exam, so sorry. We
Yes.
have second language assessment. Did you prepare for it?
Yes.
What's the assessment tomorrow?
Tomorrow, it's like project and stuff.
You will have a small assessment paper also. You have to go through your lesson note and write the paper. Then project presentation is also there. You have to present your project like what you did, how you did it, what your project
What
was.
assessment is it?
Best presentation will get the best marks. So
Ma'am,
depends.
yesterday my my Arabic teacher was worksheet everything.
Good morning,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Laser, you are late, Laser. Good morning, by the way.
Look, see, I even made the box in Rainbow Friends, but I added a little too much glitter to it.
Barina doesn't listen to anyone, huh?
Did you make the flying thing?
What?
The flying
No.
dinosaur?
What? No. It's
That
going
thing
to
that catches people, like that yellow bird.
Yeah, I know that yellow bird. He's very cute and he just lifts you up in the sky and just throws you down
Yeah,
in his nest. And then he kills you.
yeah, good. That's
He's
enough
kind of cute like how
inspiration.
he walks. He's cute how
That's
he walks.
that's enough inspiration for me.
Yep, goodbye.
No, goodbye, come back. Haya, where's Haya? Okay, which is your
I
first ever paper? Which is
Thanks.
nice. A shiny one, right?
Ma'am, do you want to play tic-tac-toe with me?
I
No,
can
we don't have time today. Who's teaching English?
teaching English. Shady ma'am, shady ma'am.
Everything is shiny now. That's nice. That's good. I guess I
Today,
only have
no.
one person then.
English and science is shiny, ma'am.
Where's one of
Uh,
them? You have an assessment paper also tomorrow and today. You have to write it
we
and
did
project present.
something.
You didn't
What
study
is what assessment do we have tomorrow?
Or study.
English, science, math combined like in the last thing. Do you remember you combined and did a
So
paper?
we have to learn English, math, and science today.
Lesson notes. Yes, lesson notes. But only
Because
one
I
thing.
didn't,
One
I
thing.
did, I didn't study for the exam.
Why? Why didn't you?
Just kidding.
I
I
can
will
study.
support you. Yeah.
Hi Abid, good morning. Abid,
Hi.
can you turn on your camera?
Okay.
Why are you not joining for assembly?
Who?
I never see you in assembly. We give important announcements in assembly. And the next thing,
Where
yes,
is Shaitan? I never see son.
Sometimes
I only
I
see
I
Ishan
don't know.
in.
I don't join.
tomorrow
I
was
only.
your. Ishan went to the next class. He got promoted. He was supposed to be in fourth grade. He was supposed to be in fourth grade.
Then I want to be with me then.
After March, you will be promoted to the next grade, right? Okay.
Yeah, but how did he get promoted like so early?
Heidi Mama's here.
It's not even early.
She's
Yeah,
on
I know that.
time. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, some of these kids forgot to mention to their parents regarding the assessment.
Yeah.
Guys, please mention, okay? Don't forget it is very important and study for the assessment. Tomorrow
Are you
project
gonna talk
presentation is
about
the
our right stuff, what we are doing in class?
Ma'am,
what?
what presentation?
Tomorrow you have project presentation.
Hand
Along
washing.
with
Wait, what is the project?
Hand
Yeah.
washing, ma'am. Hand washing project.
Charlie ma'am will explain regarding that, okay? You can ask her tomorrow what we are supposed to do because I have one more class to go. But ma'am is here, don't worry, she will help you out.
Wait,
Okay,
you
people?
teach another class?
No, they're
Bye
not
Bye
bye.
bye.
confused. It's just they are confused.
Bye bye.
Yes, ma'am, they're a bit confused. So,
Okay, so
thank you, people. Bye bye. Ma'am will help you out, okay? Don't worry.
Ma'am, can I go in water and come?